As I see Virginia, and I don't pay or ban or $1 million. So me a sensible man of God, I should be able to ask him, where did you get the money from? What is the source of funds? I shouldn't just say, oh, Charlie, breakthrough. Kneel down, let me pray for you. Father, let more come. No. Ajidian and Ibrati. And Wabeja $1 million, thinking it's a breakthrough. But I should be able to ask you, where did you get this money from? Yeah. And I come for doing hand will be the suitcase. Fellowship days. Your hand will be the suitcase. 2 suitcases full of dollars. About them. You are here. First question. I see this money as blood money. They said, yes, it's blood money. They told me, they said, we kill our boss in Zambia, who is an owner of ships. This money is meant for fuel for the ships. We killed him, took the money. But we are being haunted spiritually. We've heard of you and we have come that pray for us. And let's pay our tithe to you. $5 million, 10% you're saying. Check it. Me kaka me chino ye pushi that. Asem when me catch them in Namfu be our so Jimmy Nanke was a now Boniface. Anytime I tell my friends, this is what they say. That was so now Boniface. I called Ajima, I said, bring water. He brought the water. I washed my hands like pilots. And then I said, I know for sure there are 2 things that will come after you. Number 1, the judgment of God. Number 2, Ghana Police Service. They will definitely come after you. You can run, but you can't hide. Yeah. Then when they called DSP Teria and his boys here from Depot, said, let the police know that we have some criminals here. Na meba o amewofu yomo. Awofu yomo. Your 2 hands are on your heart.